Alright, this is our steel shot blasting cabinet. It uses steel. I don't know if you can see that little fine grains of steel in there instead of using sand. It doesn't explode and doesn't cause as much dust, and it's really nice on sheet metal. It doesn't heat it up and distort it. In the center of this thing has a rotary table. Let me show you how that works. The controls. I can blast a rim or whatever object that I want to that I think I need to turn. Otherwise, it's just a flat surface sitting there. All right, we'll fire this up. You won't be able to hear me much after the air compressor comes on. I'm not sure what kind of a video we're gonna get tonight out of this. It's hard to run this thing with just one hand. So you got a foot pedal down here. This is a suction type machine instead of a pressure machine like my sandblaster is. All right.